To make your doll's crown, start off with the color you want for the crown and start with a long yarn tail end. So I'm going to leave a length here and then I'm going to begin. So to start, you're going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you chain 8, you're going to slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th chain is right here. I'm going to insert a slip stitch here, like so. Then you're going to slip stitch into the next stitch here. And then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. So I'm going into the next stitch here and slip stitch. And you're going to do that again. So slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. There. So that makes your crown. And to finish it off, what you're actually going to do is snip off a long yarn tail end, and then you're going to weave that end through to the other side. So when you finish, it's going to look like this. You're pulling that yarn tail end back to the other side with a yarn needle and then fastening off.